Whatever you do, don't get the Libra roti maker. Who needs a rust-free stainless steel housing anyway? You know, the kind that stands the test of time. And those non-stick heating plates. Totally overrated, right? I mean, who wants their rotis and chapatis to slide off easily? This little wonder even has double indicator lamps. But they just make it easier to know when it's ready. You don't really want that, do you? And don't get me started on how it saves electricity. Because who wouldn't want a gadget that's eco-friendly? That's just annoying. Let's talk about those sturdy bakelite handles. Comfortable grip? Psh, who needs that? Burnt fingers and struggle are way more fun. First time in India, this anti-fall plate design. Omelets and dosa without fall disasters? Nah, let's just stick to messy kitchens. It's not just for roti or chapati. You can whip up parathas and even paneer tikkas. Why would you want a chef in your kitchen, right? Fluffy rotis? Yeah, like anyone wants those. Stick to your tough flat ones, thank you very much. Why would you aim for perfection? And if you ever get confused, there's a helpline. But honestly, you wouldn't want that kind of help. Why have support when you can just struggle? Pro tip. For best results, use softer dough. But hey, who cares about fluffy rotis? Just go with what you normally use. So basically, don't buy the Libra roti maker. Or do you really want lazy cooking? Get yours now and thank me later.